My name is Pete Adame. I live in the city of Ontario. I hired Atticare to, originally it was for an attic fan, but after talking to him, we were able to, I needed a roof really bad, so we got a roof done, we got a new AC system done, we got the insulation done in the attic, rodent proofing, got the house painted, we got energy efficient sliding doors and a few windows. Ethan was great from the beginning, very friendly, very customer service oriented, helped us out really with the funding and walking us through it. Again, I've never owned a home besides this one, so I didn't understand that process, but talking to him and finding the right company to get the funding for it was great. There's a few times I was going to back out actually, and he actually got the funding people to talk to me about what type of loan I have and what'll work better with the budget that I have. We couldn't get all the services done because the value of the house wasn't at where it needed to be. So once we got the roof done, the insulation, the new AC system, we were able to get it reappraised, get the value to go up more to be able to afford the painting and the energy efficient windows and sliding doors. So now the value is, like I said, it's comfort. The aesthetic of the house looks great. It's good for the community. You know, it raises the value of not only my house but my neighbors' houses as well. Now that everything's done, again, it's going to be 100 degrees today. In my house, it's going to be 75 degrees. It's just the comfort of living. You know, you work hard, you want to come home, you want to be comfortable in your own house. The only thing that I said that I would do different is probably try and focus on getting all the windows exchanged for the energy efficient ones. I didn't realize how good they were, even though Ethan was telling me how good they were. I was maybe a little hard-headed on that way, so I wish I could go back and get all the windows changed out. I would recommend Atticare because of their customer service. To me, it puts them above the other companies. You might look and you might find companies that are about the same price, but again, I work in customer service as well, and I know the value of that compared to another company. You might get the same thing, but what sets them apart is customer service, and Ethan is a big part of that. Like I said, he's available all the time. I feel bad sometimes because I would text him on a Sunday night when something would be not to my standard, and he would he would contact me really quick, and by Monday he'd try and schedule it to get it done. So it's a customer service for sure.